everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this time I'm doing a different kind of a video. Usually, I do travel videos, sometimes food related videos, but this is going to be a shopping haul. And when I say shopping haul, it's not any normal shopping haul, but it's the Thailand 7-Eleven shopping haul. So I could not go to Thailand, but my husband had gone on a trip with his friends to Thailand, and we had this list of items which we saw on many videos that you should buy from Thailand and you should really try because they're really good products. Some of them are not even available in India. So we made up a list and made sure that we bought everything that is possible from 7-Elevens. So it's a major haul. Let me first show you what it all looks like. This is all that we got, and I've already uploaded part 1 on my channel where I talk about skincare related items. So if you haven't watched that video, do check that out. This is part 2 of the series where I'll be talking about all the hair care and body care related products. Okay, so there are two major kinds of products that we've bought. One is our skincare range, and second is the hair care range. So, because I live in Bangalore, the water is very hard, so it has been really hard on my hair. It has caused a bit of dryness, roughness. So, there was a lot of effort put into identifying those products which can bring back the natural shine and smoothness of the hair. So, we bought a lot of hair care products. And the second range is obviously skincare because there are a lot of Thai and Korean brands that are available in 7-Eleven. So we got our hands in both of those. I'll start with the hair care products. So this is the first one. This is a Power Shot treatment by Sunsilk. So this is for damaged hair. You can see that my hair is a bit damaged. So that is why I've gone with this. So this has a serum kind of a thing inside. So this really helps with the damaged hair. It helps with split ends. So that is why I've bought this one. There are only 2 packets that I've bought. I'm yet to use it. So I've heard really good reviews about it. So I'm really hyped up. Next here is another hair product. It's called Vita Keratin. So this has vitamin E, argan oil, keratin. So all of these things. This again helps with the texture of the hair. Uh, a lot of you must have already done keratin treatments. While that is a permanent solution, this is more like a temporary thing. So if you use it for a wash, then it helps with your hair for a couple of days. So if you are going for an event or you have a wedding or something coming up, this will be a good product to use. Now a similar product is Pantene Collagen. So this is a product that a lot of us might be familiar with, but it's not easily available in India. So when we saw this in Thailand, we decided to take this. So this is also a collagen treatment which helps with your hair similar to your keratin. So it helps with the gloss a lot. So that is why I've bought it. I've actually bought 3 to 4 packets of this Pantene because I've again heard very good reviews about this. So how this helps is you have to use it like a conditioner after your shampoo. So use it, leave it on for 3 to 4 minutes. Then it helps with that natural shine of your hair and pretty much smoothness. I'll go with the next product. So this is super treatment. This is something again I found in some of the videos. So the best thing about this is this cream kind of penetrates deeply into the hair, and they are actually recommending to use this as a treatment cream. So either you can use it right after some treatment like straightening or keratin. So this will deeply penetrate into the hair and will help with the natural balance of the hair. Okay, next is again this is a daily hair vitamin power shot. So this is something that is very popular. So there are different shots here, so you can take one per day. This is like a capsule, so you can open it up and apply on your hair. This will again really help with damaged hair, split ends. It can make your hair smooth. So I've actually got 2 packets of this. Again, high expectations from this product. So that was all about the hair care products. So let me see if these work really well. I'll let you know in the comments. But if anybody has used any of these products and you've found great results, do let me know. I'm sure the results would be great. I'll start with the body related products. So now this is a soap. This is a collagen and vitamin C soap. So it has collagen serum and vitamin C serum. So that can really help brighten your skin. So a lot of you, if you have been traveling, you would have tan on your hands and body. So this is a really good soap that can help reduce those dark spots and tan and bring back that glow. Next is Vaseline's Glutathione. So this product is actually also available in India. So a lot of you might already know about this product. So this is available as body lotion. So the good thing about this is again brightening. It can fade away your tan. It can help with the shine for your whole body. The best thing about this is that they say it's much better than vitamin C serum because glutathione is much more powerful, so it can really help brighten your skin. The reason I bought this from Thailand is even though this is available in India, the composition of the product really changes across countries, and I've usually seen that the compositions are better when you get the product in a Thailand or a Korea. So that's why I have bought this. So I have again good expectations from this product. Next up, next is again a Vaseline product. So this is a body lotion cum sunscreen. So this is peach flavor. So it has peach essence in it and it has vitamin E. So that will really help smoothen your skin. And it also has sunscreen. So not much, but a minimal sunscreen. So this is something that would be good for a daily use. Next. Okay, next is a body serum by Nivea. Again, this has vitamin C and vitamin E. So this will also help with skin brightening, and vitamin E will help with the softness and all of that part. This again comes with a SPF component, so it may be good when you're going out, but not a substitute for your sunscreen, just for small walks down the lane and all of that sorts. Now there is another sunscreen lotion. So this is something you can use for your body as well as for your face. The good thing about this product is it's good for acne prone skin. So if you get a lot of acne, I know you might not be able to use a lot of sunscreen, but this is one sunscreen which do not cause that acne. And if you actually have acne, this will help soothe all of that. And it has a very high SPF component. It comes with SPF 50, so that is really good. This is actually a Bangkok based brand, not very popular, but recently I've been seeing a lot of good reviews about this. Next is again UV sunscreen. By now you would have understood I'm obsessed with sunscreen. Anytime I see a good sunscreen, and that too with good discounts, I just go and hoard it up. So I am a sunscreen hoarder, and it is very important that we use sunscreen not just when we step out, but even when you're at home. So I am someone who try to use sunscreen every day. It has really helped with my skin. It helps with aging. It helps with the texture of your skin, and sometimes even it helps brighten your skin. So yeah, don't skip sunscreen ever. This is Bior UV. This again has a very high SPF component. It is SPF 50. So this gives 3 times protection, high UV protection, anti-pollution, and it's also water resistant. I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. Until then, bye.